Good morning, students. Today I am going to share the summary of A Strange Transformation. We have already done this chapter. Now I am giving you the summary of this chapter for extra questions and for your knowledge. Alright, so before starting the summary of the chapter, I'll give you a quick brief about the writer of this story. And the writer is Franz Kafka. From 1883 to 1924, he was a novelist and a short story writer. He was awarded the degree of Doctor of Law in 18 July 1906. His first collection of stories, Contemplation, was published in 1908. He gained fame with his stories The Metamorphosis and A Hunger Artist. A Strange Transformation is adapted from The Metamorphosis. Kafka deals with the question of identity in this story. A man loses his human identity and becomes an insect. It can also be interpreted as a long dream in which a man imagines himself turning into another being. Now, Franz Kafka's work is characterized by anxiety and alienation, and his characters often face absurd situations. He is famous for his novels The Trial and The Metamorphosis, in which the protagonist, that the main character, was changed into an insect. When he wake up in the morning, he finds himself transformed into an insect. Alright, this was all about the author. You could revise the dates on which he was born and the time when this story was written. Alright, now we'll start with the summary of the chapter, The Strange Transformation. As we have already read, the story begins with the description of Grigor Samsa, that is the main character, who was mysteriously transformed into a gigantic insect. Can you imagine, children? A person showing normal, person who is normally sleeping, and when he is getting up in the morning, he finds himself completely transformed into a insect or any other being. We cannot even imagine so. So after he woke up in the morning, he found that he is transformed and he is an insect now. But he thought that maybe he's just that it is only a dream and then everything will be all right. But soon he realizes that it was not a dream and he has actually transformed into a gigantic insect, into a big huge insect he has transformed. Now before moving further, let me tell you something about this Grigor Samsa, that this person, he was a traveling salesperson. He was a traveling salesman and he lived with his mother and his parents in the flat wherever he was living. And from the lesson, it could be easily concluded that he did not like his job at all. His hatred for his job and especially towards his boss can be understood when he says that he would have quit the job long back. He was doing this job just to clear off the debt of his parents. His parents might have taken some loan, and then to clear this loan, he was working with this firm, he was working with this company so that he could clear the loan of his parents. And he feels that he will have to work for another 5 or 6 years continuously to clear the loan amount. And once he does so, once he clears the loan, he will leave the job as soon as possible and do something big in his life, because he has high aspirations and high hopes for his career. He feels that once he clears the loan, he will do something big in his life. He is a very ambitious, you can see that he was an ambitious person. Now what happens that he is completely transformed. After his transformation also, he is thinking about the job. He did not find himself horrifying or even inconvenienced with his changed appearance. He only thought about the unpleasant job and the thought that he would be late as he has slept long or overslept that day. He was still thinking that, how to make up for the delay which he has caused by oversleeping. He is thinking that even now he can catch hold of the train after half an hour or so. He is still thinking about the job. That means he was so pressurized with his job. He was in so much of tension that he could not think of anything else. Even a concern like this, that he has changed completely. He is no longer a human being. He is completely changed. But what is in his mind? His mind is racing, his mind is working only towards his job, because he is thinking he will get late. So he is more worried about reaching to the workplace on time. He was consistently being called by his mother from outside the room. Now he is still in his room, not able to get out of his bed. He heard his mother calling his name, but he could not answer in the usual way. He realized that his voice sounds strange, like a horrible squeaks, like a horrible twittering squeak. You see, you have heard the sound of insects. How do they sound? Do they sound pleasant? No, they do not sound pleasant. Now this Grigor, his voice itself, it's like a twittering squeak of an insect. He's trying to answer his mother because his mother is calling him, but he is not able to do so because his voice is completely changed, and he is not able to get out of his bed also because his body is completely transformed as an insect. So it is very difficult for him to move out his bed. His legs and arms are not in coordination because his body is changed, and he is not adapt to the new body, new insect body, you can say. He could not wave his little insect legs and was unable to control his new insect like body. In the meantime, the chief clerk of Grigor's firm arrived. He has arrived to his home, arrived at Grigor's home to inquire about him. He has come to Grigor's home to see why he has not turned up to his job, why he is not at his workplace where he should be. So this chief clerk has come to his place. He is outside his room, and Grigor is all lying in his bed, helpless as an insect, struggling to speak, struggling to move out. This even made Grigor more sad because he was not expecting the clerk to be at his home. And then in frustration and in defense, he gave a long speech which could not be understood from outside the room. And then in vain he tried to move out of his bed, and then in doing so he fell on the ground and hurt his head badly. He has hurt his head badly. And then the chapter ends here, the story ends here in the book, because this is only an extract. This is not the actual story, that is an extract from the story which is adapted from the Metamorphosis. Alright, so what you can do is you can give an end to the story yourself. What you feel should be the end to the story, you can give an end to the story. I give you the liberty of extending this as far as 2 paragraphs or 3 paragraphs, where if you want to write more about how he did with this insect version of himself, and few more things, that how did he manage to get out of the bed, how he managed to convince his parents that he was the same Grigor. Or you can simply end it off with 2 or 3 lines by saying that it was just a dream. So it's up to you, but I would be happy and prefer that you write something by using your imagination and make it an interesting one. The end of the story should be an interesting one. The other questions which can come as extra question is what are the things that show that Grigor was ambitious? Write few references or examples from the text or from the story. What shows that he was actually an ambitious person? Other questions could be, describe his transformation after he has changed into an insect. What transformations have been observed, including his voice, his legs and everything. Alright, then what do you think could be a better end to the story, which I have already said that you can elaborate the answer, use your imagination and make it a interesting one. Just don't write a line that it was a dream and put it off. Make it an interesting one. All right. So you answer these questions, and I'll also share the question answers and reference to the context along with this summary, so that you can complete your work today and submit your work on my WhatsApp on Monday. All right, children. Thank you.